Yes, I. Greetings and mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. Rastafari. You see? So we'll continue with the prison story then for a bit. You see? So today now I promise to talk about a typical day inside a GP. It's probably a typical 24 hour. So that's gonna get a picture of how it runs. And do remember, say things change and things differ from day to day. You see, the experience different, but typically, you wake up in the morning, seeing, and when I say you wake up in the morning, you wake up, but you have to stay the same place so you're there. See, man them up on the floor usually sit down up. Yeah, you can pull up, you don't have to stay the same place so you're there. But you have to wait till every man wake up and agree for you pull up and sit down side and side, line off in the cell on the floor, Yeah, because the man them bed spread out on the floor. See? Now the width of the cell is 2 man can pass shoulder to shoulder in it without touch each other. See? But let's say give or take 4 or 5 inches between them. See? Alright. The length, 2 man lie down, 3 man lie down on the floor, side and side, and because 2 shoulder alone can, with like just 4 inches between them, but then do the scoot up closer. When you get down to the leg part, it's far narrower, take less space. You understand what I say? So the third man now put him foot between the 2 man head and him lie down with him head between the 2 man them foot up at the back. See? Or him there down at the front. Usually the older man, long time prisoner in the cell, choose a position to take a spot for himself and get some fresh air from outside, put him to bed. More soothing because you get the fresh air, raw fresh air. See? But the thing about that fresh air, as simple as it be, I strongly say I run, because you catch a pneumonia from it, Now me never even know say I could England. Well, me know all along when I there at Jamaica, but when I come to England and I see the depths, I see what cold breezes and what cold is. I say, but watch there, look how man you so sick from regular. See, yeah, you can't just, I say you have to you have to limit how you take in the amount of air there in your head skull at night time. See, that's you wake up a morning sick, man. Some serious cold and them things. See. So with that said, now 3 man up on the floor, and behind them 3 man there, you have a little bit of space where, like me I say, when desperation, like when overcrowding, which was endemic them time there in a GP, see, you have all a man, a 4th man up at the back, you call that the Jeep back. See, remember the space is roughly the size of 2 man's shoulder. See? And just a little bit in between. See, so in the cell, have to find for himself and curl up certain way. Usually that are the last man will come in at the cell. See? Alright now. On top of that, you have 3 hammock. On top of one another. See? And 3 man in that. See? 3 man in them. Usually a morning time now. Man wake up, but man a lie down little. Man just jump up, pick up them little thing there, You lie down for an hour, a couple of hours and things like that. And because at 9 o'clock the door open. See. Some man lie down in there till the door open, because water not tell you say if you pack up, water just open the door and go. Water not tell you, water business if your things pack up inside now. See. Furthermore, so you want to think we'll find a reason for running there and step up on them just for the and some asshole will do that. Not really. You know what I say? Yeah. See? So some you don't know. It's up to you. Still. See, because like I say, water will fly up the cell and hammock still hang up and things like that. Middle day, all through the day hammock hang up. Man all in the lie down, man, they even take down hammock and them things there. See, but normally man take down them hammock. And like at least an hour before the door open up and thing. every man up on the ground. And because happening start going in the prison already. Remember, sentence man from round the back fly up from earlier. Seeing you man them go a road go work. And them thing, them sure that still happen. Old prisoner where they do most of them terms and things like that. Seeing, and so the activity start from earlier out where you are here and you see and movements are going, trafficking are going, man a come drop off a jar of weed, share a jar of weed, swap something. Why, however, seeing prisoner cause understaff, the early morning, them time there as well. Seeing and as I said, prisoner up. So, I don't know. You go walk up and down and do your thing and get ready for the way you do and them way. Seeing and about 3 different level of fly up for sentence, man. 3 or 2, I think one of them fly up to 9 o'clock too, I'm not sure. One fly up 8, one fly up probably about 7 and them way there. See? So you have different level of energy and traffic activity are going on. See? So within that, now all sorts of things happen. It's like a kind of a level for start your morning, because I just information man collecting there, so and them little thing there. See? Regardless, because like me I say, I sit and I dance on a video with you here. Where me I tell you, say the biggest joke me ever see. See it, because the man them have a thing, where them like me I say, explain some other video again where them ask a man when them just come in certain trick question. See, one of the trick question is, yo, what the new dance out the road, my general? You trying to tell no man that it or show no man what the new dance, see, you just tell a man, say, yo, it names so. Man will still push you and say, yo, do it, but I not start, but I know the end of you, one of the biggest drama you turn, you are the prison go now. See, because you're a new prisoner, you don't know that, and the last thing that them want to tell you, when the worst when them realize that you will dance, But here we will explain further still, because you don't know, I don't like a disrespect, but it's a must, it's a drama, it's a user, see it, yeah. See, prisoner wants to the new dancing. All prisoner wants to the new dancing out the road and the new flexum and them like sort of thing that them really is interested in it and them desperate to see it, see? But still, under your stress and your trial and your trouble and thing like that with your case and them way there, you're not going to the state of mind, rational man, the state of mind if you're a showman and information and them thing there. You more want to get clued up on your case and where you charge and them thing there. So you're more interested in that, you're not having no time for that. Your mind now, me I said I'm prepared and ready for that yet. So at them stage there, you don't want to involve in them thing, you don't want them thing. And that are the most like, that are the logical, rational reaction we would expect from a rational man if they ask such a question, what's the new dance out the road? It name that, it name whatever. See? Yeah, and I hate that. See? But some man jump up and start do the dance and I show it. No, furthermore, say, yeah, it named that. See? And then we'll push you further. See? I make it look like a idiot thing that started even want to show man the thing. Yo, General, I just drive off and run off the thing. You get me? I say you jump up the way I show them and all man start make beat, You go on all night, go on, see, and somewhere along the line, somewhere along the road, you realize, say, yo, I go business that either go out the night then. See, regardless of the fact, so we have a laugh and we enjoy the moves. Go thing that. See. Yeah. So, now the morning you wake up and you sit down there and you wait till 9 o'clock and them way there when the water them come fly up, do the general fly up. See, water them fly up. You in your cell, what you do, you wake up, you brush your teeth. Most man brush them teeth when the cell's still, man lie down and all them things. The man sit down, man lie down in them hammock and brush them teeth. See? And then the first thing you want to do, you sell a morning time and brush your teeth before you even talk. Yeah. Principle number 1. See? Yeah, you brush your teeth. Who can boil, who know how to boil tea or want to drink that type of tea there, because there's a stigma so when you boil that water in the back of the plastic. come out in the water, dissolving the water, and it affect your system and things like that. So enough man just wait and bother drink the tea. You know, see? So you have some man that do that and have a drink before the tree even come around, freshen up him some more. So you don't really take none off of the tree. See? Alright. You know, little activity and thing like that. Little chatting, little irritating. Mustering run off. Worse if enough weed in the cell. Man gotta wake up from 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock and a bun weed. You know, see? Alright now. When the water them time now come and them first thing where them come do, a count off. Them call it the muster. See? Think them do that from earlier, from about that week here. From probably about 7, 8 o'clock. When shift a change, the new shift, morning shift will come on, come count off, fly up the cell them and count off. And make sure say tally up with the amount of them get last night when them are locked down, you know? Yeah, but them lock it down back still. Come about 9 o'clock now, them fly you up and things like that, and you jump out and like me I say, if you have shit out there, you carry that, go dash it down and the thing, you know, see it, you come back and you wash yourself and you're good again. You know, see, you know, the man now bust no blank on you, I laugh after you had that, you're good. See, but I'm say again, it's a road where every man travel. Now, this is a thing where usually, generally go on Wednesday night, because of the whole heap of nutrients where in the road food where you get the rice and peas. And if enough man, rice and peas don't really cook good. You know, see, so that can run in belly anyway. You know, see, because enough man think that we're straight away. But now always they usually have a guy with the name Bail by Padai. You know, see, now you have a man where the water look like a film community, a country him come from too, you know. Not the water, they hardly where carry film lunch come in. It sound like a girl when I come in. Bail by Padai! With one rubber and base na food in a man carry go give Bail by Padai star. You can't name off that in a one day. I mean, I don't know if him dash the rest side, but you don't know. You know what go on at night time. Every Thursday morning in that man. So, you know, you have a... See, but anyway. Yeah. See? Typically now, most man love run go all a shower. The court man them, if you got court a man in the year, first thing you do, water make you run go all a shower. I think you get a chance, yeah, for run go all a shower quickly. See? You come back in and you get just... and get another line and, you know, follow that farm out there and move along with that and go on the side of the business there. You know, see, there is a man them now after you don't do that now, the breakfast tree come round with a little tea on it and the peg bread them like what the general clarified the other day, yeah. You know, see, boy, just tea and peg bread every morning, and Sunday morning you get some thick cornmeal porridge. Most man they look on that, most man collect that for use it and paste up wallpaper on the wall like girl and them sort of thing there. You know, see, and what else you use that for? Remember what else man use that for? But man never really porridge easy to make a prison. You know, see, yeah. See, so if I'm not that, Sunday morning I usually the porridge and fried dumpling. You know, see, fried dumpling them alright, well, if a man we mess with them there and save them up too. Because you don't know, you can eat them later if you don't like what kind of food come around. Because most man don't eat the turkey neck, you know. Them know, so when them send the turkey neck come around, the whole man not going to eat that. Cause that and I like it not cook good, you know. But if it cook so good, that's it not cook good. It just cook way. You don't see it. So most man will just save up all them fried dumpling on a Sunday morning because we don't know where we're going a little more. You know, see it. Me don't know. You know, see it. Yeah. See. So I saw the morning part kick off now. See, after you catch up them thing there and you level off and thing now, them carry you back. I think you're out there for an hour, you know, or two. See, till about 10 o'clock, 10:30, or 11 o'clock, so prison truck gone and everybody gone again. Them lock you down back. See, under the lock. See, now yeah, you're bridging them just there down. They just sit down in the cell on the floor and reason, probably play some card, whatever entertainment you have for yourself. Because the next thing again, what we usually do, you have a electric iron we run on the wall outside. Back in them attempt at run some electricity for them purpose. You know, on the outside of the cell them. but in an iron pipe, the electricity there. See? I don't know if a wire in there or what, but when you touch it, it gives a shock. See? A little shock. So what we do now, we get some wire and connect it pan it and grounds it in the cell and thing like that, and end up get our own current. And the little radio them where we allowed, because we allowed like battery type radio. See? When we get them, we just convert them now and turn them in an electric radio and have them there play all day. So we are listening to Area FM and Motor Baruch and them thing, the budget them and the whole thing about. So yeah, you see. So I saw them thing there. You see, so at basically at them little level of entertainment that we have during the daytime occupy our time till roughly around 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock, about 2-3 o'clock them fly way up again. See, this time now a bathing time because I like think about 2 to 3 hours. That in any case that time is longer than the morning fly up where you get. See, so you go hold your shower. See, now 2 things will go on during fly up. Now you see less fortunate prisoner on the top, or if you were find yourself on a hard time, you have your link your connection them around and prison back and them really. You see when you can swap soap to man where pass on the black and an accident. See, you get probably a bigger deal, like a little more feet when you go carry it yourself, go run back, go deal with all that man or a certain man. You know, see, because enough of the time, a middleman them they are dealing. You see what I say you think water down, the reward water down and them they could wait there. You know, see, so what most man do during that longer period there now when water get what they call comfortable. See, and then look away they have someone who can slip them. Come on, the whole conversation with water. So water gonna run to because water and prisoner chat. And then we go away there. Water we just gonna beat you and all the conversation with the same way. Show you truth and right from wrong and them thing there, you chat. But not on that particular in this particular case. You know, see, come in, reason with Mr. Water. Yo, right there, Mr. Water turn him back little and shift little. He just gone. Now the water over there so are in a position where I see you. See the conversation where you and the water have and things you have permission you ask and get it. So him love you, him pay no mind, he just love you make you gone. See, water the other place and see you come from the region and no say you have to ask permission or you get permission to come from this. So the only water we have problem with are the water where there is section gate. See, the one we have your section lock. See, now you don't know, like Mr. Water human. Most of them are human, them know the thing. You have some water who just turn a freaking blind eye and make you go look food. You know, see, yes, Rasta, because the whole way are Jamaican. You know, most water do that. Most of the time. You see, whereas it's the what prisoner them where them pay attention to the new prisoner them and the high profile prisoner them. You know, see that them one that them mostly, but you see the seasoned prisoner them, the one that they're the worst if you're not too much of a troublemaker and them thing that, you know, see, because whoever you are, your character, your nature is your reputation, and it follow you and them observe them thing that, you know, see, so, you know, you can get to go check all our old prisoner in the back, our old prisoner are more resourceful and more can serve the thing them know for you. You know what I say? So, yeah, since enough man do that, if you're in a desperation or you find yourself on hard times and things like that, you know, and come back around and things like that. But the maddest thing about that is that time run out. The exciting thing about that, to be fair, you know, the most exciting thing about all of that is going around there and also forget something and you struggle and can't get it. See, one of the closest view that to outer road again, you know, when you go around there and go around back on the last section where the back there to the road, the seaside, I think it's abandoned, I'm not quite sure. When you go around there, you go up on the stairs and you climb up and you look, you see in a Raytown, over Raytown, you see the street and you see free people, activity and things like that. So again, that is like another, it's like a, like, me don't know, like a come like that at the theme park of the prison, yeah. And that's our Coney Island, and that's our Las Vegas. That's That's how when now you're fortunate, your things are right, your things set, you know, you have weed, you have food, you have money, and them thing there, you know, work, but you're not for a hustle. Seeing so when you take a blind now, you take a escape and you go around a back now, and you climb up on this one, you look, and probably you see a like girl, you go to see somebody where you know, might not be close enough for a conversation with, but you're surprised to know the psychological benefit of that. Because I have to laugh a while ago, because now I remember just that little bit of access, visual access to civilization. It give me such a lift. Even at this point, I remember it. It's like it was a joy. You see, an experience. You see, yeah. So that again is something where prison kind of look forward to. When in a good times. You see, quote unquote good times. You see it. So yeah. Yeah, but the exciting part of the whole thing now when you're around there also and time are done and you don't get nothing. Seeing and you know say boy if you go back under, it's like you rather get a button than go under without nothing, you know. Seeing cause enough time, the reason why you don't get nothing, the man them disperse and they are about the place and you can't find you're linking with them. Because as much as everybody one place and then they lack up barrier, if man they in there you search to the flowers and can't find them man and them nah hide from you, you know. You don't see it. Yeah. So, you know, when them start knock now and a lockdown, every man we have met back them way to them location. Even if a man hide from you, see, I say you have to make all that sacrifice. Because most of the men don't necessarily say I beg, you know. Most of a man owe you to. And you hunt him for it. You see it. And him himself in a bit of difficulty and him avoid you to. You see it. So yeah, the best time that for make the sacrifice, and when they make the sacrifice, you hear one knocking, you know, say one button that for me. If you get back through that. See now you watch what see me and the man go, I watch you too, you know. You don't see it. And bang, bang, bang. 2 buttons that you said, John, you say, 2 buttons I go get forgot if I go through when I go through here now. But you prepare for take it. You don't see it. And I saw you will see him move towards himself because he might watch it and him know say, yo, you idiot. Because one place that when you come out to like promises and your word are your most valuable thing in a prison. See? If you know what I mean. See? So man, you don't know, you know, and boop, bop, and it was in time for the third knock. See, when the third knock come now, you have to know what you're doing and you can get where, you know. Seeing because I'll buy this now, depending upon the water where they are upon the black too. Seeing because the door, you can go around and run through the gate and lock it and the brake not dry yet. Seeing when the general door brake dry now and that's why you're in trouble. You don't see it, but you can go and try now make them count past your cell already because that's a no water we get mad. Because the throw off him whole thing, him knows say 95, him dead on your son, and you just run in and you know, with the mentality. You know, see it. And him good and not see you. You better try make him see you too. When you go in at that. You have so water. You make him know say 95. Hey boy, you violate no but 96 free. Alright, cool. Wait till I come back, you know, and then continue with the count, go down the line, and then when him come back, him come deal with you. And then in which way, seeing more than likely is attacking to call the end of the day and yeah, as I say, a certain type of prisoner can do them thing they have to in the system to a certain degree. See now, for in the system to a certain degree, it's like what of them have empathy. Not telling a lie. You know, see it. And a man will come and say, hey boy, you know, man, hey, yo, down there, right to your tail, yo, you know, see it. A man will never look by your eye and just come about boy business. Just come about business, kind of thing say, you know, see it, I just, you know, see it and go draw the big break now and everybody say lock together. See, because the break now is the locking system, the general locking system. When them draw at one time or open at one time, everybody say open or lock. See, but when it open, them still have an outside lock where still lock your door. See, and them have to come lift up that in most cases. See, because in some cases now we tie on a string on it when we're outside. See, and push back the string through the trappy door, the peephole. See? So when them draw the big break a morning time now for fly out, rather than them affair come down the line and open everybody's cell. Some man just goes up, boom, and draw for them string and fly them, sell themselves from inside and run out. You see, in enough cases, fly up another man, sell them friends sell behind them. I don't know why, but yeah, always have man and them say, yo, fly me up, yo, yo. It's like seeing, and a man tell me something at the end of my video then. Seeing, them video there is not to inspire or glamorize any farmer prison experience. You know, see. And I laugh now, I say this with a smile because at the end of the day, and I appreciate life. I'm glad to be alive. You know, see. But even while saying so still, the reason why I never really thought of saying that is because deep in myself, I think because of the truth of I attack, the gravity, and the allegation, and the drama, them and statement, them in the video them itself, is already a deterrent. You see what I say? So I really and truly, probably to I naivety, but really and truly, like me I say, we still can stay up in ourselves, from up top where we there and dictate to people. You know, see, we have to come down and feed them level. So respectful to the man who make the suggestion, we can't remember his name. See, youth and youth, prison and a bed of roses. For the time where you're dead, you're dead. Till, if you're lucky, if you come back out. The moment you walk inside a GP, you are considered a body. You then not count you as a GP, you know, receive human being. Them receive bodies by law. You get what I say? More bless. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.